Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a cat eye nail polish and it is by that brand right there, which I think is SAGEBIO. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what it looks like, and it does come with a magnet as well so that you can color shift it. It is a gel nail polish, so you will have to put the base coat, a layer of this, and then a top coat in order for it to work. I did not see that because it doesn't have any directions on the box, but I did look on their website and it does say that you do need it, because I know that they have some that are like an all-in-one, so then you don't need it, but this one you do. So this is what the magnet looks like, so you can shift the colors. And then this is the color that I got. I did get it in pink, as you can see. It's like a really pretty, like Barbie pink. I'm going to go ahead and add a clip of me putting it on my nails right now. Okay, so that's what the nails look like, completely done. And you don't have to put dark color underneath. It just makes the color itself pop a little more. You like it?
Yeah, I think they're really pretty.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.